Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 Radyo Bandera, Olongapo City. Pinakarespetado sa news and current affairs.
Pinaka-respetado sa news and current affairs. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. Bandera Night Jams. This is the Tuesday, ano? Tuesday edition, July 28 of this radio show. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome back, people. A couple of job announcements muna para sa inyo. Yung mga naghahanap ng trabaho, ha? This job openings from SPD Jobs Incorporated. Sabi, this is urgent. Urgent as in now na, ngayon na. They are currently hiring technicians, okay? So if you're a technician, you can, you're at least high school graduate or senior high school, pwede na no? With experience as a technician in a manufacturing or garment company is an advantage. Yeah, okay? And able to perform preventive maintenance and machine adjustments, okay? Fast hiring process, free shuttle, with incentives pa. Yan ang offer sa inyo ng SPD Jobs Inc. And you may apply today. Apply now. Okay, where to apply? Teka, tapusin ko muna. Meron pa, hindi lang yun. Urgent hiring also sewer. Mananahi. Okay, join our team. So your future with us. Ayan, tahiin daw or habiin ang inyong kinabukasan, kina-future, no? At least high school graduate or senior high school graduate, hindi maselan no, sa mga requirements. Diba? Maraming kailangan with experience as a sewer is an advantage. Okay? So, ganun din. Fast hiring process, free shuttle service with incentives. Okay? Ayan. Naalala ko tuloy, free shuttle. Alam niyo yung electronic bus or e-bus ng SBMA na umiikot? Free pa ba yun hanggang ngayon? I think free pa yata, e-bus. Yan yung green movement projects ng natin, mga green projects ng SBMA. I work for the SBMA. Kaya nung nilaunch yung mga e-bus, naalala ko lang, free shuttle kasi Nung nilaunch yung mga e-bus, umiikot-ikot yan. No? So, tumulong kami. Pinopromote namin. Lalo na ako, I work on the radio station. Tinulungan namin nung nilaunch yan. Nandun ako sa Harbor Point kasi stop point yung Harbor Point. So, tumutulong kami. Inaalalayan namin yung mga matatanda na bumababa, yung mga visitors in the Subic Bay Freeport, sinasabi namin yung schedule, yung ruta. Yan, okay? May isang babae bumaba. Pagbaba niya, yung damit niya hindi maayos no? Nakalabas yung isang niya, yung alam niyo naman yun, yung front bumpers, no? Dalawa yan di ba? Nakalabas yung isa. So sabi ko, syempre inilalayan ko bumaba. Sabi ko, ate, ayusin mo yung damit mo, nakalabas yung isang mo, yung isa sa bumpers, nakalabas, sabi kong ganoon sa kanya. Napatingin siya, tapos yung bus umalis na. Napatingin siya sa bus, sabi niya sa bus, oh my God, yung baby ko nasa bus. Ayun, tapos okay naman na after that na na-remind ko going back to the job openings, ba't ba napunta ron? Naalala ko lang. Ayan, sewers mananahi is also needed. Okay? And what else? Quality control personnel. Urgent hiring din ng quality control personnel. Again, at least high school graduate, pwede na, di ba? Experience in quality control in a manufacturing or garment company is an advantage. Okay? So, if you think you got what it takes to be one of their quality control personnel, well, be part of our team. Again, fast hiring process, pre-shuttle, and with incentives. Okay? And lastly, production operators. Urgent hiring din ang production operators. Etong production operators, dalian nyo na dahil limited slots lang to, no? Okay, apply now and start your career with SPD Jobs Incorporated. Again, where to apply? You can send your updated resumes para sa mga ilagay nyo lang yung position na ina-applyan nyo sa resume nyo. Kung electronically gusto nyo mag-submit, SPD Subic. Okay? Small letters lang yon. S as in super, P as in pwede, pogi, D as in dog, yan. SPD, Subic2023@gmail.com. I'm gonna repeat that, spdsubic2023@gmail.com. Okay? Pwede rin mag-walk-in. Alam nyo, the best pa rin pag mag-a-apply ka talaga ng trabaho. Para sa akin, yung nag-walk-in pa din, yung pumupunta, nothing beats personal touch. Daig nun yung ano, yung nag-send ka lang, di ba? Sinend mo. Iba pa rin yung may personal touch eh. Yung in person, makikita mo yung tao na pag-a-applyan mo or yung at least this office, the company. Tapos ikaw rin, makikita ka rin nila, no? Kaya pag pumunta ka doon, ayusin mo naman konti yung sarili mo, di ba? Be sure na wala kang muta. Wala rin tulo-tulo ng laway sa gilid-gilid ng bibig. Parang gano'n. Okay. So, pwede rin mag-walk-in sa SPD Jobs Inc. sa office. Ang office nila is at the former Park and Shop near Jeju Island. Ayan. Hindi sa Jeju Island sa Korea. May Jeju Island kasi na building doon eh, no? Ayan. If you guys are familiar with the former Park and Shop, yun yung malaking parking area pa rin ngayon, ano? Sa tabi nung main gate ng Forever Bridge na natapos din. 'Di ba? That parking area, we call it the huge parking lot, the Park and Shop, 'di ba? Hanggang ngayon Park and Shop ang tawag doon eh. Yun ay nakasanayan eh. And then pagpapasok ka ng main gate, 'di ba? Kaliwa 'yun ano, yung Park and Shop, no? Yung kabilang side pa, nandoon yung Jeju Island. Nandoon yung SPD Jobs Inc. office. Malapit na lang, no? Ayan. So you guys hurry. Again, technicians, sewers, mananahe, quality control personnel, and production operators ang kailangan. Alrighty.